Hi, it's Jessica. I am starting a series for absolute beginners to the EOS community. My first segment and my first blog post is about how to buy EOS. And through much research, I discovered that right now it's still not possible to directly spend my dollars to get EOS. And so I just published a blog post walking you through how to go about buying EOS. However, I'm still not able to do anything with my EOS until I have a wallet. That's challenge number 2. And that's what we're going to attack today. How to get a wallet with EOS. So the easiest way to create a wallet is through the SimplEOS tool by EOS Rio. We're doing this together because I need someone with a valid account to create my account, my new account for a wallet. And it's also going to cost me 1/3 of one EOS.
Cost me 1/3 of one EOS.
Oh, it's going to cost him 1/3 of one EOS to help me create an account. So if you want your own wallet, get a partner who already has an EOS account and make sure they have at least one EOS that they're willing to spend. Don't worry about exposing your keys because the code generated by SimplEOS that you need to share doesn't include the private key you will generate.
SimplEOS is a wallet and EOS application similar to GrayMass's EOS Voter. It's the only tool that we found that guides you through creating a new account, so you don't have to use command lines on Cleos. To download SimplEOS, visit the link in the description or just go to the EOS Rio website and look for it. Choose your operating system and install. I'm using Mac, so I'm going to select the Mac operating system. Okay, and this is the opening screen of the SimplEOS app. So we are acting as the person that does not have an account, so we're going to choose Request New Account. The first thing that we get to is this intro screen. It will warn us that it costs a little bit of EOS. We found this to be about 1/3 of an EOS. So make sure that the person you're working with is willing to give you that much. Next, we go to step 1. Choose your EOS account name. These are 12 characters long. I'm choosing Fluffy Bunny 1. I check availability, and I can use that. So I click Next to continue. Step 2 is generate your key pairs. There are 2 public keys and 2 private keys. Save and label all 4 in an offline document. Step 3, generate the account creation code. Copy and save the code somewhere safe, and then send it securely to your friend who has agreed to help you out and spend 1/3 of an EOS on you. Once again, don't worry because this code doesn't have your private key in it. Okay, so that's all that we need to do on the new account side. So now let's take a look at what the person who already has an EOS account does with the code that you send them. Okay, so here I am in my EOS account. This is pretty cool. In SimplEOS, I can just vote. I can send and receive EOS to any account holder. I can look at my history, and I can see all the tokens that I've received in here too. So that's neat. To set up the new account, I'm just going to add new account. It guides me through this step process here. Let's see, do I want it associated with this private key? No, I want it associated with the new private key, or for a friend. I want it for a friend. So when I do that, it changes to import code. Now if you remember that code block from last time, I'm just going to bring that in from my offline document. That is Fluffy Bunny 1. Those are my public keys. That's exactly what I had created before. Alright, so what this is telling me is that I have to delegate a single EOS. I don't think I'm actually spending it. I think I'm delegating it in order to create the account. The price in EOS, remember we talked about that it was 1/3. It's coming up as 0.4, so more than 1/3. I will, let me see here, I think I will actually delegate this and send my wife a single EOS. I will transfer the delegated stake. All right. Signing the transaction just means entering the password that you use for this application.
Okay, so the proof is going to be when I go to SimplEOS, can I import the existing key and then view my account?
That's right. Let's do that right now.
Okay. Okay, I entered my private key, logged in, and I can see here it's Fluffy Bunny 1 up in the corner, and I have one EOS. That worked. Awesome. Thank you so much, Isaac.
No problem.